Hello and welcome to your daily dose of Satoshi's news. Today's date is Thursday, the 21st of March 2024, the year of 1,000,000 transactions per second and more. Take custody of your digital assets today at rockwallet.com. Right, let's get into it. So first, let's have a look at 365 days of Bitcoin history. What is going on today? So I'm going to be away for the next day or two, so we'll just do the next couple of days. So just quickly then, here we go. So on the 21st of March 2018, check this out. There is a title here saying, Bitcoin will eventually be the world's single currency, says Twitter CEO. Check this out. So this is back in 2018. We're now 2024, 6 years ago. 6 years ago to the day he said this. So Bitcoin will eventually be the world's single currency, says Twitter CEO, but is that a good thing? Question mark. Well, again, I mean, it's not a currency, it's a commodity, it's money. So to be the world's money, that's fine. You can't be a world currency because currency is created by someone and issued by a higher authority because it's a security offering. So then that power is issuing you the security that will then back up your claim, like secures your claim of entitlement to whatever it is you want entitlement of, to whatever the security secures your entitlement to. That is it. So it's not a currency, it's a money. Again, I think it's like a massive psyop that they're pulling on us, but everybody who listens to my show will know this anyway. So it says Bitcoin has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride these past few months. After climbing to over 16,000, remember this was back in 2018. In December, the price of Bitcoin has tempered a bit at 8,950 as of this writing, despite the prospect of a major bust by economists. Again, I mean economists constantly predicting a bust. It's going to be a bust. It's going to be a bust. Not going to last. Going to be a bust. Still here, and the original protocol still exists as Bitcoin. It's just got a new ticker symbol, BSV. That's it. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey believes in about 10 years it will be the only currency the world uses. Well, it will be the only money because it's the only money that can actually be sent electronically as fast as light. And it's the only way to give actually digital data commodity value because of the network that it comes, because of the use of its network that you can only use by buying Bitcoin. That's the whole point of it. But anybody who listens to my show will know all of this. But there we go. It's a little bit of Bitcoin history. Also, on the 21st of March, the following year, 2019, Craig Wright on his blog wrote this one. Privacy versus hypocrisy. So 21st of March 2019. Many of those arguing for anonymity are truly arguing for power and the control of others. If we take into account the criminal violation by certain individuals of controls that are designed to provide privacy, we start to see the hypocrisy in the argument. So again, this is about privacy versus anonymity. So if you are anonymous, you are not accountable to anybody. And if you're not accountable to anybody, you have complete control of whatever it is you're doing. So if you've created an anonymous network, you control that network because you're accountable to no one. You can do whatever you want. However, privacy is what you and your partner would seek behind the bedroom door. You can identify each other, you can engage with each other, but no third party can see, hear or interfere. Now that means it's nobody else's business. But if a dispute should arise between the two of you, should you wish, it means that you can present the evidence to a third party who can solve the dispute for you. That is it. That's the difference between anonymity and privacy. Fascinating. And we'll just do tomorrow as well, because I'll be back on Saturday. So on the 22nd of March, Craig on his blog post wrote this one. And this is back in 2019. Peer-to-peer digital electronic cash. Oh, check it out. Bitcoin is not cryptocurrency. Like I just said, it is a commodity. The first time to commoditize data. So he's written, too many people get it wrong. As the white paper explains, Bitcoin is peer-to-peer electronic cash. And again, cash is the most liquid form of money, and money has to be a commodity. It's not currency. It's not a security. In the white paper, it is written, costs and payment uncertainties can be avoided in person by using physical currency, but no mechanism exists to make payments over a communication channel without a trusted third party. And this is what Bitcoin solves. There is a reason for it. Bitcoin is an electronic cash system, not a crypto system, and not a currency in any form. I will start to detail the parts concerning currency. What is currency? Well, despite what Black Law says, Currency is a circulating, excuse me, currency is a circulating security. That is it. So a current flows and circulates. So a circulating security is currency. That is it. That is the true definition of currency. There is no way around it. You can define it any ways you like, but that is what currency is. It is, at its absolute core, it is a circulating security. That's it. End of. So yeah, that's that. I won't do 23rd because I'll probably be back by then. So also on the 21st of March, I just posted this because I was just like, this is what's going on is just getting a little bit crazy. So I said, just to be absolutely clear on this topic, we are all Satoshi, including Sam Bankman-Fried, Do Kwon from Terra Luna, Ruja Ignitova from OneCoin, the SafeMoon creators, and every other crypto rug puller except for Craig Wright, who's actually scaled Bitcoin in the way that Satoshi Nakamoto described in the white paper. Is that correct? Is that what you're telling me? Honestly, I'm only laughing because there's nothing else I can do. It's just so ridiculous when you think about it. Like, dear, oh dear. So anyway, let's have a quick... Oh, look at the price is going up. Back up to $81. Oof. We'll have a look at the profitability in a minute. So transactions are going up as well. 58.09. Oh, 38 megabyte block. Yep, that's the 66 megabyte block. Come on, look at that. 66 megabyte block is more than all the entire blocks in the CoreCoin column. Oh look, Bcrash has got 1 block over a megabyte. Well done then. And Fisher Price Cash, yeah, still struggling to get all of their blocks over a kilobyte, let alone anywhere near a megabyte. So look at this. It's currently 8% more profitable to mine on the genuine Bitcoin. Come on, come on, come on. What's going on there? Daily average Bitcoin fees by network. Look at that. Come on. Bitcoin winning there. And I love looking at the mining pie charts here. So, other miners has increased their hash rate on BTC by a little bit. They've now got 5.8, but they're 58% of Bcrash. Just a little bit now on Fisher Price Cash. Oof. That means they've got all the firepower in the bag of all that hash rate. My goodness me. But look at that. BSV still holding strong. BSV, the mining chart, is the only mining chart that isn't moving out of every single other chart. So that means that there is consistency here. All the other figures are moving other than the profitability. But the hash rate and the number of miners on the network and everything else is changing. So it looks to me like it is being managed. We know what's going on. We know what's coming. Oh yeah. Let's have a quick look at what the miners are doing. So in black is the USD price. There we go. And in purple we have the exchange's reserve in BTC. Look at that. Look at that. So even though the price is going up and up and up, the exchange's reserves are still cashing out. They are cashing out of that shitcoin time and time and time and time again. Like this. See, these are the figures that the common, mom and pop investors are not looking at. Look, the exchanges are cashing out as the price is going up. Why on earth would you reduce your exchange reserves when the price is going up? Why would you let go of your BTC? It's because they know what's coming. They know what's coming, and they've known for a long time. Court case result and all that, completely superfluous to the end result, because Bitcoin is an economic model. That is it. Once the block fee surpasses the block reward, we have an economically self-sustaining system, which is what we're gunning for, and that is what the cabal are desperately trying to prevent by telling all these goons, oh, don't worry about it, number go up, scarcity make number go up. Well, what about when there's literally no Bitcoin to mine? What happens in the year 2140? When miners can't mine the block reward because there is no block reward? Not even Andreas Antonopoulos, that snake in the grass, will answer that question. And he goes, I get asked that question time and time and time and time again. And the answer is, we need to look at today. What's going on today? No, mate, I'm asking you what happens in 2140 when there's no block reward. Oh, well, that doesn't matter. The question is, what are we looking at today? No, mate, I'm asking you about 2140. Is this just simply the world's largest Ponzi scheme? they literally won't answer the question. Absolutely ridiculous. So in terms of the price, let's have a look at what is going on with Tether. Oh look, there's another pump here. 103.8, 103.9, so 100 million. Look at that. 140 140 million just pumped in, you know. And again, where were we over the week? 103 to 103, yeah, so $1 billion in the week. 97.8 to 103, almost $6 billion. $6 billion in a month. That's over $1 million, $1 billion a week. Oh, anyway, can't be bothered looking at that. Jeepers. We've currently got a market cap of $2.5 trillion. $2.5 trillion, and BTC with a market cap of $1.3 trillion. Oh my goodness. The largest bubble in financial history. Crikey Moses. Because the only genuine value in the market is this one. So we've got Ask at just $2.4 million. Like, it's just like about 25,000 genuine Bitcoin available for sale globally. It's really not much at all, is it? Whew. Price creeping up there nicely, even though Craig is not Satoshi. Oh dear, honestly, it cracks me up. Let's have a look at Terranode. When were the last few blocks mined? Oh no, there's no data on it. Oh, I shall be looking forward very much so when the testnet comes back on, but never mind. So anyway, that is just an 11-minute show. We'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed it, and as ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.